It'd been raining all night, and when we woke up this morning, there was a leak again at the window. So, detour, we're now not heading to Vancouver Island today. We're going to go to Kelowna and go to Fraserway and see if they can fix our window. We're at Kelowna's Fraserway RV, and we just turned up out of the blue just to see if they could fix our window. It's been such good service here. Straight away they went out, had a look at it, said yeah, we're going to take the window out, give it a proper fix, and we'll do it right away, and we're not going to charge you, and that's what we're waiting for now. So it's been really, really good. I highly recommend Fraserway RV in Kelowna. They have showrooms all over the country, but the service people here and the sales people here have been really, really nice. And they're not pushy when they're trying to sell anything. And the overall experience has been just really, really good. Walking back now, I can see it. It's actually out of the garage, so hopefully it's all good news and it's fixed. We were in and out of Fraserway RV in under 2 hours. They had to take the window out, reseal the window, pop it back in, recork everything, and then we had to wait for it to cure a little. But again, really good service and really quick. We've had a long day driving, and so we're going to stop here. We're at a rest stop on Highway 5. And we're going to have showers and just rest up and then get back on the road tomorrow. The 1982 movie Rambo First Blood was filmed here in Hope, BC. Did you even know that? We didn't until we passed through town. You can do a self-guided tour and see the police station and the bridge, and even drive out of town and go and see the cliffs that are also featured in that movie. My favorite part of Hope, though, is this. If I look tired, it's for a good reason. It's like 7:20 in the morning, way too early. I previously said about that, we'd fix the window. The very next morning, we found that the toilet valve is now broken, which means it constantly flushes. So we have to keep the water pump off, which means no showers, no dishes, washing. So we are lined up for the ferry to get onto Vancouver Island, and we have finally found somebody who might be able to fix it. Everybody's booked up. It's summertime, so it's way too busy. But hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll get there tomorrow and they'll be able to look at it and hopefully fix it. We're on now, so it takes about an hour and a half to get to Victoria. So it looks pretty calm. Hopefully it'll be a nice travel. BC ferries from Tsawwassen to Schwartz Bay, Victoria, run every hour. Different boats, but they run every hour. Our camper and truck is about 25 feet long and 11.5 feet high. So there's a different cost depending on the size of your rig. And so ours costs about $150 to cross one way. But it's worth it once you get onto Vancouver Island. It's really simple to book online, or you can download the app and book it through there. You can turn up and pay at the gate. They expect you to turn up between 30 and 60 minutes before departure for check-in. So Chris and the team at Travelland RV in Duncan have taken the camper. They're going to have a look at it and hopefully fix the toilets in the next few hours. Another great RV service centre is here at Travelland RV in Duncan. They got us in, they got it fixed all within about 3-4 hours, and really nice people, even gave us a loaner car so we could go off and get some lunch while we were waiting. So another recommendation, definitely worth trying out. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please click on the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the notification bell so you know next time I post, and I will see you in the next video.